Hi everybody, look at this cute little closet. Let's make it using craft paper. So take a craft paper and start folding it from its corners. Fold it into half, then open it. We are going to make the closet like this. Fold it and we are making the box here, and look, it's done. Then make the bottom part. So take another piece of paper and start folding it like this. Open it and again we are going to make a box here. So start folding it like this. Tuck it inside and give it shape, and look, it is ready. Then we are going to paste all of them together like this using a glue stick, and look, your Almira is ready. We are also going to make its handles and it's done. Look at this beautiful heart-shaped container. Let's make it. Take a craft paper and start folding it like this. Look at the beautiful floral print, how pretty this is looking. We are going to make the box here, and look, it's done. Then press it gently and give it a heart shape, and it's done. We're going to make this mini container. Let's get started. Take a craft paper and start folding it like we're doing here. Flip it and again fold it. Now we are going to make crease here by opening it. After that, we're going to give a nice clean look by pressing it from its corners like this. Look, we are doing it like this now. Flip it and again we are going to fold it. We are making a box here, so fold it from its sides, and look, your container is ready. Look at these cute mini boxes, and it got a lid. Let's make it. So take a square craft paper, start folding it like this from its sides. Now open it and we're going to make a box by folding it like this, and look, it's done. Then take another piece of paper, fold it and cut some pieces from its side and make a mini square paper and start folding it like this. We are making the lid for the box, so fold it like this, flip it and again fold it like we're doing here, and look, your lid is ready. Then we are going to give it a nice shape. We are making a bow here, so take that piece of paper and start folding it like this. Look how we are doing here, and look, your bow is ready. And put it on the top of the lid, and look, it is done. You can put many things inside it. Here we are going to make this cute little container, so let's make it. We are going to fold this printed craft paper, make multiple folds like this. Again we are folding it like we are doing here, and look, it's almost done. Flip it and again fold it from this side as well. Now gently open it using your thumb, and it's ready. We're going to make this paper phone stand, so take a printed craft paper and start folding it like this. We are going to make two triangular shape like this. Now fold it and look, it is done. After that, we're going to flip it and it's ready. You can put your phone in the center. Thank you so much for watching this video.